I fully revamped the upgrades for my top-down puzzle game, Mini Malls. In some previous devlogs, we've implemented an upgrade system, but in this one I really wanted to flesh it out, because it hasn't really been the main focus of the video for the previous ones. I wasn't really happy with the old system, as it didn't really align with my plan for the future of our game, and in this video we're going to add some cool new upgrades, going to add a one-time use power-up menu, and we're going to totally redesign our upgrade screen. So yeah. First things first, we're going to need our images for the new upgrades. First thing I thought to add was a price discount, which will basically just decrease the prices of the other upgrades the player can buy, similar to when a shop has a discount going on, everything else is cheaper. Next, we're going to add a ghost mode, which kind of allows the player to phase through walls and things. I also thought it'd be cool to add a similar upgrade that is much cheaper than ghost mode, and instead of making the player being able to phase through everything, it will just slightly narrow the player's hitbox. So it just kind of makes it more of a skill-based thing rather than being able to go full invincibility mode, I guess you could say. Gonna also totally revamp the upgrade screen so the player can see that current trolley at the top, which I'll add later on because I'm gonna add some more trolleys in the future, and the upgrades they can get. This will allow me to limit the upgrades the player can get, so it gives an incentive to change to a different trolley. Again, when I'm talking about changing to a different trolley, this is basically an idea I had in the future, maybe like the next devlog. I could add different trolleys, so it will have to involve like a save game, so it saves your trolleys upgrades, and also a menu where you can choose the different trolleys. This will kind of involve like in most games, like say Minecraft, you've got your stone pickaxe, then you got your iron pickaxe, and you just upgrades from there. Thinking of doing similar things for my trolleys, so a copper trolley could be like just the max upgrades are just slightly more, so instead of having a limit of 5, which is the basic one, you can have a limit of 6, so you can upgrade it further. And then we can have extra special ones, with unique abilities, and really, yeah, could code anything. Definitely has a good potential to make it into more updates, so once I've finished releasing my game I can also add more updates to add more trolleys and stuff like that. But yeah, anyways, the trolleys will also have different prices attached to it, so you will have to also balance spending on upgrades and saving money for the trolleys. Anyways, after that brief explanation, I'm going to start implementing our revamped upgrade screen. So far we've just got our horizontal bars, which I added previously. I didn't record it though, but I've changed it over from our other one. I've just been doing a little bit of work on it, making it look different, adding the price on the sides as well, so you can see how much it is, adding icons, and yeah, so this is just going to be a quick time lapse that I was doing, but yeah, enjoy. Everything. The whole time lapse was kind of me changing everything. So what I added, I finished the upgrade screen. This is what it looks like. Basically we've got our buttons or our little icons to show which one is which. These numbers are just, they will change in game. Same with these ones. They're not all $99. But yeah, these are the one-time power-ups. These are the upgrade ones. In the game it looks better because there's little dashes, I guess you could say, and they kind of tell us how many upgrades we've got. After this, we've done a little bit of extra work in our player script, just changing our power-up script as well. Used to be just this, Now we've added these two to check if it's the power ID is 1. So this is our second power up that we've added today, and our third power up that we added today. And then in the future I can also save the inventory, so instead of just having our main menu, we can have another option that says trolleys or players or something. And then we can choose between different trolleys. So like I mentioned in the intro, we could have different trolleys with different perks. So for example, like we could have like a cash trolley that has a bunch of discounts. So see how everything is discounted here. We can only get a max of 5, but maybe this trolley could have, I don't know, like 10 or something discounts, and initially come with a discount value of 2 or something. So that could be a unique thing, and you could also buy them using your coins that you save up at the end. But yeah, so we can use our R and F keys as shown in the menu to select which one we want to use. And if we want to use this one, we press E when we're ready and it just uses it. And then we can press E again to use the ghost mode. As you can see, it's like kind of transparent. We can go through those. It just ran out at the very end, unfortunately, so wasn't a very good showcase of that one. But also we've got our narrow mode. A narrow mode basically just makes our trolley a lot narrower, as it suggests. Pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, look, it just shrinks, and then we can get between these like little gaps here. I'll just find another one just to show you. Yeah, so see how I can't get past these gaps? If I use it, I can slide right through, so it's very good for maneuvering between tight spots. So that's another little extra thing I wanted to add. But yeah, I also tweaked a few bugs in the game to do with how the checkouts were respawning. I wanted the checkouts to respawn slowly as the game goes on. So early on, it respawns very quickly because the player has not much else to do, but at the end, they respawn very slowly because the player has to go and get a bunch of different things. So yeah, it's very fast right now just because I sped it up for demonstration purposes, but in the future it'll be like 10 seconds per day, so you don't have to worry about getting this screen all the time. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that thing. But yeah, if you guys really enjoyed the video, let me know down in the comments, and if you liked, I know you can like it if you want. I don't really care, but yeah, means it will mean a lot to me if you guys enjoy the video and, you know, let me know personally. But yeah, enough of blabbering about. That's it for the video. Look forward to see you next time, and see ya.